So I washed the cover from the soft crate. And these boys, I'm trying to put it together, but these boys are always there. Always there with the mama. Okay, let me go try to, yeah. See, that's what happens. You can get hurt if you are in my way. These things are collapsible. JJ don't care. So I'm going to try to put this together. We have in storms today. We also have dog school. Oh, yeah, we have in storms. So it will be a rather boring day. Storms, dog school. Oh, dog school might be fun. And the pug mama is doing a little bit laundry, and then she will do homework, and then we'll off to dog school. Bruno's like, yeah. It's raining outside. I'm gonna stay here. I'm not moving all day, huh? Until I give you a schnecky. You're gonna not move until I give you a schnecky, huh? These guys just ran in from outside because there was a burst of rain. It should be light outside, but it is very dark. What is it? Is it rain? Huh? Is that rain out there? Yep, there it's coming. So we'll have to just hunker down for a little bit. Hunker down. Oh, you're brave. You're going out there. Huh? You guys are brave. Going out there in the storm. Oh, yeah. Yeah, my guys don't worry about storms. Let's go back inside. It's wet. Come. We're gonna use the rain door today. Yeah, so the dogs, my guys, don't worry about any thunder or storms, sirens. We don't baby them. We don't feed in their fears. We just talk to them like we do. Just say, hey, this is just a storm. Don't worry about it. And that's what we always have done, and we've never had an issue with dogs being afraid or scared. And I know a lot of dogs are scared in thunderstorms, and the best thing is really not to baby them. Just tell them, hey, don't worry about it. Hey, don't worry about it. Play with a toy. Play with a toy. And of course, once they're already scared, it's different. Yeah, I don't know what to do then. But we have always had dogs who are used to all sorts of noises. The only thing we do not like is if the power goes out. That wouldn't be so good. That wouldn't be so good. We don't like power outage. And then Mama couldn't do no homework. And Mama could not do any homework. You checking it out? You checking out what's going on out there? Hmm? You checking out what's going on? Yep. And we'll have to wait until it stops. It's gonna be a while.